Hello, so today we'll be looking at x minus x equals 36. Alright, this will be written in this way so we don't get confused. Alright, then looking at this 36, we could write it this way as 27 plus 9. Yeah, so 27 plus 9 will give us 36, and also we could write it 3 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 2 x cubed minus, and like so. But looking at it, this goes with this and this goes with this, so let's rearrange it. But if you check here, we have a negative sign and we have a positive sign here. That's not supposed to go. So what we're going to do is to say minus 3, introduce a negative sign there, and square, also minus 3 squared. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, this is cube, so this would have to also change, the sign would have to also change. So from here we can easily say x is equal to minus 3, but that's just one solution for x. We are supposed to have 3 solutions for x. So in order to get the rest of the solutions, we are going to solve it like this. And then we're going to move this 36 to the side. Alright, so this will be written as minus x cubed plus x squared minus 36 equals 0. We'll introduce a negative sign, and it will be minus x cubed plus x squared minus 36 equals 0. So this will give us minus x squared plus 36 equals 0. So this is what we'll be working with. So we're going to do something. We're going to use a trial by error method and see which will make this equation to tend to 0. So if we use 1, which is plus 1, we'll have 1 here, 1 here. 1 minus 1 plus 36 cannot give us 0. If we use a negative 1, the same thing, it cannot give us 0. We use 2, this will give us 2 to the power of 3 as 8, minus 4, which will not give us 0. If we use minus 2, the same thing. Let's try 3. 3 to the power of 3 will give us 27, minus 9 plus 36 will not give us 0. But what about minus 3? Minus 3 squared plus 36 equals 0. This will give us minus 27. This will give us 9 plus 36. This will give us minus 36 plus 36. You see, 0 equals 0. So we're going to be making use of x to be equal to what? Minus 3. And that will be written as x plus 3 to divide this equation. X cubed minus x squared plus 36. Alright, so x into this will give us x squared, x cubed plus 3x squared. When we subtract, we have minus 1 minus 3, that's minus 4x squared plus 36. x into this will give us minus 4x. When we multiply, we have minus 4x squared, and this will give us minus 12, all right, minus 12x. Okay, so it's not really time to add this one down. So when we subtract, minus this goes, and we're left with minus 12x. X into this will give us minus 12. Okay, minus 12. And then when we multiply, we're going to have minus 12x. And this will give us minus 36. When we also subtract, this cancels out. Okay, so minus times minus will give us a plus here. So x into this will give us a plus 12. And so 12 times x will give us plus 12x. And this will give us a plus 36. When we subtract this, we have a minus 36. And bringing this one down, plus 36, so that cancels out. Alright, because we already have it here. So 36 minus 36 will give us 0. Alright, so next thing we're going to do, since we have this and this, we are going to move further. X plus 3 this x plus 3 is equal to 0, and x squared minus 4x plus 12 is equal to 0. We're going to use the almighty formula to solve this one. So this will give us minus 3, which we've known already, minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our b is minus 4 plus or minus square root minus 4 squared minus 4 dot 1 dot 12 all over 2 dot 1. So this will give us 4 plus or minus 16 minus 48 all over 2. This will give us plus or minus square root minus 32 all over 2. So this is 4 plus or minus 1 dot 16 dot square root of 2 all over 2. So this will give us 4 plus or minus our complex number, imaginary number, and this will give us dot 4 root 2 all over 2. We have something common, which is 2. 2 plus or minus 2 root 2i all over 2. This cancels and we have 2 plus or minus 2 root 2i. And so these are the values for x. X is minus 3. X is 2 plus 2 root 2i. And x is 2 minus 2 root 2i. These are the complete equation or solution for x. Thanks for watching. Don't go away. Watch the next video and I'll see you in my next one. Do well to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so when next I post another video, you'll be notified. Thanks again and see you next time.